Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Subaru Crosstrek. First, gather your essential tools: a 17mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and a funnel. You'll also need 4 quarts of fresh 0W20 synthetic oil and a new oil filter. Always park your vehicle on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety before you begin. Now, let's get rid of that old oil. Slide your drain pan under the engine's oil pan, directly beneath the drain plug. Using your 17mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out. Let it drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring all the old, dirty oil is out. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Apply a thin film of fresh oil to the rubber gasket of your new oil filter. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 1/4 turn with your wrench. Reinstall the drain plug securely. Finally, use your funnel to pour in 4 quarts of new 0W20 synthetic oil. After adding the new oil, start your engine and let it run for about 1 minute. This circulates the oil and helps you check for any leaks around the drain plug or oil filter. Turn off the engine, wait 5 minutes for the oil to settle, then check the oil level using the dipstick. Top up if needed. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. It's perfect for keeping your garage clean after a job well done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.